Hi friends, welcome to Storytime with Miss Eagle. Today we have a special guest, Bandit, and he's here today because we're going to be reading his book, Bandit's Wondrous Adventures. So hopefully he stays on my lap for the story. He might want to run away. Oh, there he goes. Bandit lay sleeping soundly in bed, snoring away with a mask on his head. In his dream, he was packing a case, preparing his journey to outer space. Bandit dreamt of a world much different from ours, a place just like Saturn or Pluto or Mars. Discovering planets both far and near as he traveled through the atmosphere. His spaceship was surprisingly easy to fly, but low on gas. It began to fall from the sky. "Oh no!" cried Bandit. "How could this be?" as he fell to earth and into the sea. As water filled up the alien machine, Bandit found himself driving a yellow submarine. Scuba diving had always been one of his wishes. Now that wish had come true as he swam with the fishes. Bandit spotted an anchor rising up from the ground, so he swam a bit closer to see what he found. As the anchor traveled upwards and settled afloat, Bandit realized he was boarding a very big boat. "An intruder," yelled a pirate dog. "He'll steal our treasure." "Capture him now," barked the captain. "It will be our pleasure." As Bandit walked the plank to meet the hungry sharks, the pirate dogs howled with glee and celebratory barks. Bandit jumped from the plank, but he was in luck. He escaped the hungry sharks, all thanks to a rubber duck. He thanked his lucky stars and looked up to the sky. The rubber duck spread its wings and started to fly. Once up in the air, the duck disappeared. In its place was a plane, one of Bandit's worst fears. Enough was enough. He had to jump out. "Good job, there's a parachute lying about." Gliding through the smoke above the jungle below, Bandit watched the lava erupt from a volcano. Now on the ground, Bandit could see dinosaurs. Fear filled his body from his head to his paws. A huge dinosaur approached, looking scary and mean, so Bandit hid in the bushes, afraid to be seen. In an attempt to survive, Bandit found a disguise, a big green T-Rex with bright yellow eyes. Bandit drove and drove before starting to slow, wondering if he was low on gas. Then realized it was snow. So he stopped to go ice fishing to see what he'd find and caught lots of catfish. How lucky, his favorite kind. Bandit headed for shelter in a nearby igloo. He felt very cold and was slowly turning blue. Inside the igloo made Bandit really smile. He hadn't been to a spa day in such a long while. The spa was so lovely, a well-needed break. And with that, Bandit started to wake. Feeling refreshed from his sleep, Bandit sat up in bed, excited for the many adventures ahead. The end. And there's a picture of all of Bandit's adventures. Thank you for joining me and Bandit on his adventures. He was so excited to share his stories with you. See you soon.